between they put lamb oil.
Oh,
And they make like these layers. Like an envelope, flip it, and then cut into square parts. You see, it's like a layer by layer. It will be very crispy then.
I'm making pumpkin samosas.
Okay. No, we can probably do it like that as well.
Onion super small?
Yeah, it should be super small.
This.
It's beef.
Oh, it's beef.
Yeah. In Bukhara, we mainly use beef.
You had mentioned that.
I already have properly there. Nasıl yapabiliyor da açık bir özbesi.
Yok, hiç yapamadım.
Boşuna kişi gönderdin.
Yok, kun qilib yursangiz bo'lmaydi.
Bu yemeği
Bak koysanız var iki blokla. Yes. You should do like that. The corner should be finer. The middle one, the place should be thicker.
Ah,
Yeah. Because when they roll it,
that would be too thin. Show me how you make it thinner on the edges. Show me how you make it thinner on the edges, so I can do it right.
Bıçaklarını falan
So you, Oh, okay. I don't see much thickness there.
No, not that.
I'm thinking a lot of thickness. I'm like,
No.
that's magical. Oops.
Do you want to add pepper?
Yeah.
Unless
Unless you don't add. Do you add pepper on it in your culture?
we add.
Oh, I want everything you add. Yeah, I mean, then I don't experience.
Burası ne?
bu Immerse.
Arkadaş. This is the mixture of 14 different spices. We have this mixture in the bazaar already ready one.
May I smell it?
Yes.
What's it smell like?
Has sage, I think. It has basil for sure.
Yeah, of course.
It has maybe mint, paprika, salt.
No salt.
No salt.
No salt.
Can I taste a little bit?
Rolton biliyor musun ha? Turşa şutta tuz şeyler yeme. Rolton ki.
Because in the bazaar what we buy there is no salt.
You sure? That has salt.
Yeah.
That has a lot of salt. Okay. That has a lot of salt. Yeah? Okay.
Because the one what I buy usually doesn't. Okay. What tuzlu bu? Ziraboris? Tuzan borekten içiyor.
Sudan başına
14, 15 spices without salt.
Kim istemiş adam?
They add
Hadi şırım bir sürü şeker koşmayasın. Şeker koşabilir misin?
sometimes when we don't have sweet pumpkin, we add a little bit sugar as well.
Oh.
Koşmadı batır.
But here they didn't add.
And how do you know that the pumpkin doesn't have sugar? And
They
that's sugar.
taste it. They taste when it is.
So they have a bite of it.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought maybe the color was different or
No.
the meat, the
Onions,
onions, and the spices.
Little bit salt, she
And
already.
a little bit of salt. Yeah. So this is pumpkin and onions and a little bit of salt and then the meat. And then this is dough that we're working with to make the. Do you call them dumplings?
No, samosa.
Samosas. So what's the trick to not sticking to this? What's their trick?
You just well press because it has oil. It should not stick. Anaqa stolga yopishib qolmasligining sababi nima? Mana bir ozgina agarsan,
Yo'q, ha, tayga yo'qlasam bo'ladi. Keling, yo'qni bering.
ozgina bo'lsang, you know the inside to be juicy.
Ah. They put water inside the beef?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Then when you eat, when it is hot and you eat, it will be a kind of little bit soup inside you felt.
Ah.
It makes it more juicy.
Ah, that's better. We put oil on the table, so now we can roll it out better.
Better, yes?
Yes, much better. I think that might be too thick.
Gırdadım kemisedir, oru bir tonu ortasını yürüysen dersen dedim. Hay bu gülüp kalacak işte.
Okay, so we're gonna make pumpkin samosas first. Tell me how much.
That's enough.
Okay.
Now, what I make at home is this way.
Okay.
You see? Do. No. Put them on the top of the other like that.
Oh,
Right?
okay.
Mantıda kurulacak.
Then I
Pinch.
pinch this.
Üç bıçak mı?
Yok.
4 bıçak mı?
And this pinch. And we put like that. Then the angles will be very beautiful here. As we pinched. You see? Here it is. Not bad. Very good. Öşellerle getirerek mi? Üstüne kağıt koyganizga? We put it here.
We put it there?
Yes. Tray. They would have to send me back.
So the way you fold the samosas, different people have different ways?
We make it round shape, triangle shape. She can show you triangle shape. Bitta uch burchak.
Az güçlü 3 bıçak kaldı.
Like the meat we will make in triangle shape.
Okay, perfect.
And we use different dough as well.
Oh, different
This
dough.
is the classic dough. He's showing the other way.
Yeah, that's how Georgia does
I see.
their what are they called?
Dumplings. Or,
Dumplings.
Yeah, dumplings. Plus they have a kind of samosa with cheese.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hachapuri. Muy bonito, muy bonito. Let's try it. A little plump.
And
Saç örümüdeydi ha?
Yeah.
like like bride hair.
Oh, one on top of the other.
Yes.
Oh,
You
okay.
should take the one angle up.
Yeah.
And take the other angle, put on the top of the other.
It's like a braid. Okay, let me try that again. Let me try that one more time. Let's try that one more time.
Probably you take bigger one. Is it enough? Big?
Is that good? Yeah. Okay, let's do it together.
İşte böyle. İşte. Yok, 4 bıçak hamasını güçlü tavuk kartop
All right. Bring it up. And do do.
Bilmiyorum. Take, continue. No. Take from this. Yeah. This way. Then from the other side. Yes. Yes. Bravo.
Folks, there's mine, there's hers. Not too bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
One more time.
Okay, one more time. Let's do it one more time. Yeah.
Şuna prokladin.
mai drog mira.
Then we take, for this one we make small.
Şu mai drog mira.
Okay. Okay. I take a little meat. Okay.
You should put meat somewhere here, not right in the middle.
Right there.
Good?
Good.
Yana.
A little
More,
more.
more.
Okay. Like that?
Böyle hadi.
A little too much. Okay. Okay. So then I come here. I come here. And I go, yeah. No.
Nasıl kayıtları?
Okay.
Roll it on the top of that one.
Tikler.
Oh, farther?
That's okay. That's okay.
Oh, that's okay? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This one.
Oh, and then you went like
Yeah, roll it around.
that. Then you go like that. And folks, there's hers and there's mine. Not bad.
Now she will show you triangle. Another triangle.
Another different kind of triangle.
Different kind of triangle.
Okay. Oh, that's quite large, but that may be because of the dough.
Yeah, that's because of the dough.
Ah, I like those. Okay. I would think the meat.
And I forgot which one was meat.
These are meat. The triangles
These
are
are
meat.
these are pumpkin.
This is hers. This is mine. I think she wins. She's the pro. Right here. Let's take a look at her.
But as a first day student, that what you made is not bad.
Ah. Right.
Not bad for a beginner.
Beginner. Elementary. Do without egg.
Okay. Okay. Okay. I don't have a. It doesn't. It's okay. The baby crib. Do they move it from here to another room?
Right.
Oh, they do move the crib.
When Mazi have opened.
Partially cooked. We're gonna go cook them a little bit more.